Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate ad groups in Google Ads. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, then simply click on enter. After that you have to simply go to the first website from here, and once you click on the first website you will get the option of sign in and start now button according to your preferences, and after that it will simply take you to the dashboard of Google Ads. And from here what you need to do is simply click on the campaigns icon in the left hand side, and then you have to simply expand the campaigns option from here, and then you have to just simply click on the ad groups. After that you have to simply select the ad that you would like to duplicate. So let's say I would like to duplicate this one from here. Here you can see you have already selected it. Then what you need to do is simply click on the edit icon in the top navigation bar, and once you click on the top navigation bar you have to just simply click on the copy icon from here, and now that's it. You have already copied the campaign, and now if you can just simply click on Ctrl+V, it will simply paste the duplicate. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.